So today I received this ottoman, and this is the box it came in. I did get this in exchange for this review. Let's go ahead and open the box and see what it looks like. Okay, here is the ottoman out of the box. If you notice, it has storage. You have the lid here, and then it comes with 4 rolling legs here. And it looks pretty easy to attach. Looks like they're just going to screw in. And then it also comes with the manual. Now this is PU leather. Let's go ahead and put those legs on. So look at that, super simple just to screw on. And then you're just going to do it until you feel that it can't go anymore. There we go. Okay, and here it is all put together, and it really does give it some height. Because look at that, you can just use it as a coffee table. But what I'm going to do is just put it in this corner for extra seating when we need it. And when we don't, we just bring it out here and use it as a coffee table. Now let's go ahead and look at that storage and see what all can fit in there. Okay, so this is just a small example of what you could put in there. I put pillows that are no longer, in the season. And then a photo album and some books, some coasters, a remote, anything that you might think of that just doesn't need to be out. And there's plenty of room for a lot more than what I put in there. Now let's go ahead and see what it looks like in that space. And here it is, exactly where I thought it would work, and it does. I absolutely love it. And one thing that I really like about it is the wheels. This thing is heavy. So without those wheels, I don't think I would have been able to move it. So not only is it multi-purpose, but it's easy to move around. And here is the lid turned over. That way you can use it as that coffee table. I love it. I hope this information was helpful, and I hope you'll have a great day.